listen, my children, and you shall hear of the midnight jive of Paul Revere. He was feeling low with the blues on his mind, so he went out some fun to find. Hi. Hi. Yes, 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 yes. First one he met was Captain Bligh. He said to come on, Cap, let's both get high. I know where we can go and light up at a mellow pad that's just one flight up. Ha 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 hi. Ha 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 hi. Both went up to this hard tea pad, bought all the tea that the tea man had. Paulie said, Cap, now be your age, come blow this tea and raise your gauge. Hi. Old Cap piped without a let up. He got so high he couldn't get up. In truck chick all dressed in blue started in doing the Susie Q. Now, Paulie wasn't much on the Susie Q, but he could beat it out on some barbecue. All of a sudden, Paulie said, hang, here come the law with a bang, bang, hang. Hang, 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 hang. Yes, 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 yes. Jump, 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 jump. Ha, 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 ha. Hang, 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 hang. Yes, 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 yes.